We're going walk the line. Take one.
Okay, so the best way we thought to train on this program was to just actually have everybody get up and do it. So walk the line is a fun, kind of informal way for individuals to find out their Myers-Briggs code or personality code, so to speak. So there is an official Myers-Briggs assessment that is much more comprehensive than what we're going to do today. This is just meant to be a fun and informal way. I always really stress that to students. So if you get something different than what you've gotten in the past, or you don't think it's a true, doesn't really speak to you, that's okay. But Myers-Briggs is a personality assessment that uses, or that measures rather, our psychological preferences in how people perceive the world around them and how they make decisions. So by having students find out and use their Myers-Briggs code, they learn more about themselves, they can reaffirm their major if they already know what it was, but it can also help them, find majors, find careers that align with their assessment results. So if you are interested in learning more or doing the more comprehensive assessment, there's a free version on the Career Exploration Portal. It's called the Young Typology Test, but it is essentially the same thing and should give you results very similar to what they would be in the comprehensive version. Okay, so what we do for this program is kind of fun. We're going to get up and move around a little bit. But Jen and I, to start, will give you an example of kind of how the flow of the activity is going to go. So essentially, we pretend that the room is a continuum, and we have one opinion, or opinion, I think is the best way to say it, on one side of the room, and then an opposing opinion on the other side. And you are going to place yourself along that continuum based on how much you agree with one statement or another. Now, there will be a tendency for some of us to maybe fall directly in the middle. It's too hard for you to say if you're a morning person or a night person, so you put yourself right in the middle. And that's okay, but keep in mind that you always need to be a little bit towards one side over the other. Otherwise, it's going to be incredibly difficult for you to make up your code in the end. Does that kind of make sense? So if we ask, are you a Coke person or a Pepsi person? I might say, I've really never had Pepsi in my life, so I'm going to stand on this side.
Whereas me, I always stand on this side, so I don't like Coke.
All right. You guys kind of get the idea? Okay, so everybody can get up.
And typically, we would hand out Post-it notes. So, are you standing